Now, we always welcome everyone who comes to this platform because it's in an online mode. So, what we do is we let the audience talk to us via text, right? And we have this rule that, first we introduce each other and then we, get ahead with any conversation, any question, or something like that. So, in this webinar, as we have communicated, let me introduce to the audience that, our audience has just given the CAT exam. Most of these students we have, targeted somewhere around 82 percentile and above, because these are the students who have a lot of options in hand, and we try to give them information about their options, right? So we keep on having such webinars where students talk to them. Maybe they give them some tips about their preparation, and they talk about their experience firsthand. So this is a kind of platform that we have created, and we are lucky that we have got a prestige, premier college brand with us. So these young students are from, IIT Roorkee, which is a very big name, and we had to find this Sunday that they were free and we could arrange such a webinar. So I want it to be interactive. I want all of you to, make good use of this opportunity. So before we start, this is the introduction of the audience. I would love to hear all of you one by one, just, a brief introduction. And then I've made a whole list of questions that I collected from all my students. And, I'll try to address them as briefly as I can.
So, hi guys, my name is Alan Dev, and as you might know, I'm doing my first year MBA at DOMS IIT Roorkee. I'm also a member of the media cell at DOMS, and I'm hoping, to clear your doubts and give you a better idea about DOMS today. Thanks.
Perfect. Next.
Hello guys, my name is Rohan, and as you know, I'm doing my MBA at DOMS IIT Roorkee. I'm a first year student and I'm also one of the class representatives. I'm glad to join you guys here, and I'm looking forward to clearing any of the doubts you got.
Hello guys, I am Kanan and I am studying my first year MBA at DOMS IIT Roorkee. I am a placement coordinator there and I look forward to this insightful interaction today. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Utkarsh side. I hope I'm audible right now.
Yeah, Utkarsh.
Right, yeah. So I'm one of the class representatives along with Rohan, and we are here to welcome you to this doubt clearing session. Feel free to ask all your questions, and yeah, let's get this started.
Perfect. So I'll also add my brief introduction. So I've been working with Hit Bullseye since a long time now, and this is one of the initiatives that we have taken so that, we can really connect students and industry. I have this golden opportunity that I get to talk with you guys, and it's always very enriching in the whole process, because the experience that we are going through now is really helpful because we have been in their shoes since, it's not been a very long time since we were preparing and applying to different B schools, finding a way of making sense of the whole MBA, right? So I'll start with, maybe you can go down to your experience and talk about how it is a very complicated process, but the overall experience, that how has it been tackling all the selection process back in the time when you were applying. Any one of you who would love to start? Maybe I can Utkarsh, yeah, anyone.
Yeah, I'll take that up. So from my perspective, personally, like I did have lots of choices, so many options that I could choose. But then, at the end, I think for me, IIT Roorkee was the best option. It has the IIT tag, and it has all its benefits, ROI, and all. I'm sure my friends today would be, talking to you guys about that. And the admission process itself was very smooth. Like admission process is like it's like engineering designing something, right? You can't tell if it's working well unless something goes wrong. So
Right.
in that prospect, it was very smooth for me. And see, I didn't, have the opportunity to take advantage of Hit Bullseye and services like that. I had to, do all the research and stuff myself. But yeah, so at the end, I decided to enter into DOMS, and I don't regret it at all. It's a great experience so far. Thanks.
Nice. In fact, even I remember, Alan, that when I was preparing, we kind of knew a very few things, and it is sometimes the environment that it's a destiny. I would say that we land up in the college that is best suited for us. Now I see students, fighting for maybe I am A, B, C, and trying one percentile more than the other and everything. But I always tell every student of mine, it's not a race that you have to win. It's basically you have to find what works for you and what suits your candidature. So that is why we also have gathered to know about maybe an insight through you guys that how it is in an IIT. So talking about IIT Roorkee especially, you know it is something that is a very premier brand. If we talk about engineering, it's a dream to be in the campus of IIT. How does that thing helps in the MBA program? How it an advantage to be a part of young engineers around you while you are becoming a manager? So that connect, how does it help? Maybe we can go with Utkarsh, and then someone can add.
Yes, definitely. The question is on point, like you said. And yes, we all have known IIT for engineering background, but when it comes to management as well, for that matter of fact, it's living the dream, to be really honest. You will be represented, or you will be known for your alma mater at the end of the day when you step out into the real world. And if you know that the biggest companies are not just big because of their revenues, they're big because of their network. Here you will get that network. You'll be budding managers, you'll be reaching out to different people, you'll be connecting with them, and on. You'll build around a family, and that will be helpful for you in the longer run. Coming to the dual specialization that is provided at IIT Roorkee, I don't think so any other better fit for any of the students, considering myself as well, since I have a very funny story regarding my admission process as well. For that matter of fact, I started for a trip to like one of the mountains, and I was admitted to IMI Delhi. I was coming back, and it changed to IIT Roorkee all of a sudden, and that journey has been so eventful thus far. So trust me, you reach out to a lot of people, reach out to any of us, and you will see the difference in your lives.
That's
Yeah.
very nice and crisp.
So
In fact, yeah, I would just like to add, that this whole journey, when I was doing that, looking at your options and giving multiple interviews, and then somewhere you land up in your dream B school. So that is always a very special experience. And with more knowledge and with more guidance from, peer learning, we can really make best use of all the good opportunities that we can get. So yeah, you were speaking, Rohan.
Yeah, to add to what Utkarsh said, I'd like to call out or bring light to this point that when we talk about IITs, we associate them with the engineering grads. That makes sense. But also, what you have to look at over here is that our MBA departments or the MBA programs are very old. They are much older than the Tier 2 and Tier 3 IIMs, and that in itself, I mean, these MBA programs are as good as any, and keeping that aside, because they're old enough, they're over 20 years old. For example, the program at the program at IIT Roorkee is about 23 years old. That's about twice as old as most new IIMs. And what that brings is a maturity to the department. The alumni would be spread all across the country. They had the time to grow up the ladder in many of the big MNCs, and we get to interact with many of our alumni on almost a weekly basis, and the, the positions they are in, we see that they have reached the pinnacle in their careers in terms of being the directors in their respective companies, the country heads in their respective companies, and that is something you get with an institution that is as old as these, and that is something you definitely be missing out when you join, when you take up newer colleges for that matter. So do not associate IITs with the engineering programs alone, IITs do have very good MBA programs that are as good as any. Viewed when you viewed as a business school alone, it can still compete, and they are much better than many other schools out there. And coming
Right.
to my own personal experience, I have had the opportunity to have joined IMs, to have had the tag name, but I have considering all of these. To me, it was an easy choice to have come to IIT Roorkee, and so far, I have no regrets at all.
And talking
That's
about
nice. That's nice.
IITs,
Yes.
IITs compared to IIMs, like one other advantage I have to talk about our college's library, Mahatma Gandhi Central Library. That is like a huge advantage. There's over 400,000 books, and they have subscriptions to more than 30,000 journals from all the fields. Any academic field you can think of, we have journals for that. We have from obviously from science and technology, engineering. We have even stuff from medical, from the arts, architecture, so many things. And the one of the defining aspects of management is thinking creatively, forming connections where other people don't see connections. And so an advantage of being in an IIT is getting access to this vast array of repository of knowledge that you can go through. You can look at research, you can look at what the latest developments are, and think about business models, how you can bring it to market. So the point is that you get access to lots of information, and you wouldn't get this depth and breadth of information even at top IIMs, I believe.
Nice. Kanan, let's get you also in the discussion, yaar. So landing up in IIT Roorkee, to be very frank, it is not on the top of our mind that there's a program in IIT Roorkee and you don't get there. So tell me that story of being getting a good percentile and then trying your options and then coming to know about IIT Roorkee program.
So basically, I was in the same position as most of the aspirants that are here right now in this meeting. And I did all my interviews. I got some few IIM calls, and I have applied for IITs, and I got IIT Roorkee. So my thought process was like everybody else. So I need to get a good placement and good return on investment. But talking to various seniors or a lot of persons who are passed out from IIMs and many other dignified colleges, the point that they were trying to convey is, see, the college which you study doesn't matter that much. That a tag may matter to some extent, maybe your first or like second job, but at the end of the day, to achieve your short-term goal or your long-term goal, your own persistence and how you take up the program is what that matters the most. So
Very
for
true.
me,
Very true.
so for me,
Yeah.
financially, the best option was to join DOMS IIT Roorkee. And to be honest, I'm very happy I made the choice because comparing to all other baby IIMs and new IIMs, this is a college that has heritage, which is over 20
Right.
years. Okay. And the alumni network is very strong in our college. And I get to talk to a lot of people, a lot of industrial giants, and I get to
Right.
know the real-time experience, what they expect from the managers of the future. So,
Right, Kanan. In fact, it's very beautifully you have said it that the brand that you are in, right? Let it be any college, right? Any college. But IIT has that heritage that, that brand will stay with us. And definitely the work that we do, that really will help us in getting maybe ahead in our work life. But that brand will always stay, right? And then there is this love for an alumni, right? There's this whole connection, and you can very proudly talk about being a part of the IITs. So that is something that is you all four share, and that is something which a program like this can give. So now that all the students, they have this curiosity to know that how is MBA. To be very honest, 90% of us only know about CAT exam. We don't know why we are giving this. We don't know what is going to be after that. Most of the engineers think that it's going to be another more years of maybe engineering, which is not true. Now that we are doing the MBA, we know the difference, right? So why don't you share some insights into not much, like how much you want to share, like what is a daily routine for a young manager, the future managers of this country? How do a normal typical day in IIT Roorkee looks like, right? So if any of you and your personal experience, because that is something my students would love to hear about.
So let me take that up to talk about how a regular day at Dawn Side or in any MBA student for that matter would look like. Firstly, lot of sessions as in any MBA college. Yes, you will. There will be a lot of courses you'll have to take up, and to keep up pace, there'll be a lot of readings and case studies to work upon to be ready for the next sessions. And apart from that, the most interesting things that we get to do on a weekly basis, often at times also on a daily basis, is that we get to interact with the industry giants and get to talk to them about their expectations, their experience, what they wish to see in us, and the whole thing of getting to interact with them in itself is a wonderful opportunity to learn, and that is something you only get through an MBA.
In
We
fact, I would thank you. I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but what Rohan is talking about is actually the core of MBA. You know why it is a highly paid and highly valued degree? Because so many important personalities they come to the campus and talk to you and they tell about their experience, and I think that is the crux of MBA. That's how you learn. And that comes my second question, which I wanted to know. कि यार online के हिसाब से obviously maybe there are pros and cons, we can debate about that, but because of the online platform, isn't it amazing that how we can get a personality who was earlier it was very difficult to get him into the campus, but now we can connect to them, maybe learn from them in the online mode at a very less expense too, right? So what Rohan is talking about is the most beautiful thing that a good campus can do, get important personalities, and being an IIT and IIM, that is the another advantage that you get, right? So
That's true.
any other pointer, how the experience has been, or batao?
Yeah, I would like to add about the guest lectures. We haven't spent, so we're first year students, right? And it has been only a few months, and even till
Right.
now we have had like huge personalities, like people in top positions from companies like IBM, Accenture, Ernst and Young, Big Basket, OLX, TCS, Infosys, you name it, the top companies. There's a very good chance they have visited IIT Roorkee. In fact, we had our flagship business conclave event that was held a few months back, and we had, I believe it was the co-founder of Infosys was there, Chris Gopalakrishnan. So he came and he gave us a talk, and we also had the former Airtel CEO Manoj Kole, I think, and yeah, he also gave us a talk. He's currently I think he's a head of SoftBank currently, so even he gave us a talk. And so that's it. If in 2 months we could get this much exposure, I can only imagine, like while completing 2 years, how many distinguished industry professionals we get to meet and learn from them. And like you said, this is the essence of an MBA. This is why we're
Right.
here, because we want to be one with the industry. Because what we're learning is not like purely academic. It's not disconnected from the industry. It has to be practical. It has to be pragmatic. It has to work. So that is why
Correct,
we.
Karan. Right. In fact, your batch has been very special in terms of, if you talk about your seniors, they are seeing a placement drive in a time like this, right? And if you look at us who have entered the college, we have entered in a phase where this whole we've seen the the pandemic affect the whole structure of delivery, right? So this makes me think about the things that we can get in the campus. As we can see, things are opening up. Campuses are getting back to normal, but this online mode will stay, and we will get a lot of good webinars from amazing personalities in the MBA life. But what are the things that you think is something which can only be received in the campus? Any one of you can talk about clubs and committees, because that is something which really attract the overall MBA aspirants. So maybe Utkarsh, we can talk about that.
Yes, exactly. I would like to take that up. So I'll just give you a brief as to how a particular day would run like. In the morning, I would start my day talking to Rohan about something related to a classwork, and I would be followed up. I would be joining the placement committee, being a part of the placement committee as well, to talk to maybe Kannan and other members there. Then I'll be rushing towards another meet in the marketing club, or maybe for a matter of fact, the prepcom. So a typical day would require a lot of interaction with a lot of different people. So there is your scope to improve and grow at the end of the day. Talking about the clubs and committees, so we do have a club, like a series of club activities going on throughout. From the sports committee to the prepcom committee, we have day-to-day activities which will keep you engaged. And since we are a smaller batch, a batch of 71 students, we're a close-knit batch. We know each other personally, and we are involved in a lot of different clubs and committees at the same time. So we're getting that cross-functional domain into the picture. Being as buddy managers, we are managing our times as to how to walk a particular day in any manager's life. So if we have a SoftBank's country head coming to us, he would definitely be involved with a lot of things at the same time. And so are we. So we are actually running the department, seeing how things develop right from the word goes. So how it like that it shapes up at the end of the day. We are the ones who are doing it in like in relations or in support with the faculty members. Yeah, that'll be all.
Right. When I heard placement committee, my ears got raised because this is something which is very fascinating. So, all the participants who are listening to us, second very important thing in MBA are the clubs and committees, and Utkarsh has very nicely briefed us about that. So, Utkarsh is a part of placement committee, which is also known as Placecom, right, Utkarsh? Right. So there are different names, but it's also called Placecom, Placement Committee.
That is correct. That is
Yes,
correct.
it is.
So there are a lot of interesting committees, and to be a part of that committee in those 2 years, it really develops a very different kind of personality. For example, I can take a guess that a daily work of Utkarsh will involve talking to startups and companies to get on the campus somehow, either in the online or the offline mode. And to be very honest, this is something which I'm doing in my job. My profile includes that, right? But मैं नहीं था placement committee में, so maybe it could have helped. But I just want to tell you that MBA, this is how MBA gives you, real skills. And kudos, yaar, to be a part of placement committee. It's a big responsibility, है ना? तो but what other committees are you in, Kanan and Rohan and others?
Being myself and Utkarsh being the class representatives, we are automatically a part of the placement committee. And we got
Right.
Kanan over here, who's also a part of the placement committee. And Alan over here is a part of the media cell.
Student committee, that is another tough job because in MBA another important thing is everything is student driven. So I'm just recollecting what I thought, and it's very exciting that you also have the same views कि सब कुछ students को ही करना होता है, and it is kind of like a job where you're not getting paid, you're actually paying. But वो ही 2 साल आपको train कर देते हैं कि आगे we hear managers earning 1 lakh and 1.5 lakhs a month, because that's how you get there. You work really hard for no money, just for learning and experience. So yeah, that is great यार. बहुत ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा काम वाला committee होता है. Thank God I was not part of it. So I was part of cultural committee, जिसमें कुछ नहीं करना होता, parties arrange करनी होती हैं और बहुत ही cool काम होता है. तुम्हारे यहाँ पर जो cultural committee है, let's talk about that. How IITs की तो I've heard that the events are next level only. तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताओ.
That is one good thing we can actually be proud of at IITs, because at any other MBA college, I'm talking about I'm bringing this comparison because it is an important comparison to note. At an MBA college, you would hardly have, say, 400 students to 800 students across 2 batches. And any cultural event you do with that sort of an event, they can be good, but when you compare it with what you get on the IITs, you can call it cute, because over here we got about 8,000 to 10,000 students on campus, and the
Right.
cultural the cultural fest that they organize over here. For example, Tom's World ITR is one of the most popular ones in the country, and it brings an electrifying atmosphere during the days that is being held. You get the best of the performers. It's absolutely lively. It's absolutely fun to be a part of.
Nice.
Adding to
Before you
Rohan's
talk,
point,
sorry, Utkarsh, बस एक चीज की थोड़ा ना chat में meanwhile जितने भी लोग सुन रहे हो, just let us know about the type of committee and club you know exist. ठीक है, बस उसके नाम लिखते रहो. Meanwhile, Utkarsh, please go on.
yeah, definitely. So while we are talking about the cultural committee, I like to point out that any special occasions that comes up, be it Diwali, be it Christmas, so we have this cultural committee. They come up, they have this virtual concert, and we dress up and we perform these activities just so we excited. And it's not about all work and no play. So definitely we have our fun as well along the way. And definitely you while you join the IIT brand, you will be a part of it. There'll be nothing to be ashamed of. At the end of the day, everyone, no matter how bad you sing, would have to come up and sing or dance for that matter of fact, so that you open up to the real environment. And that's the main work of the cultural committee, to bring out the best in everyone.
Right. Correct. So we have lost one connection, I think. Where is Alan? I cannot see. Where is Alan Dev? I think उनका वीडियो नहीं चल रहा है. Okay. So Alan, please try to reconnect with us. Meanwhile, यार बहुत सारे questions आए जा रहे हैं and students want कि थोड़ा उनके questions ले लेते हैं and then maybe half time भी हो गया है. उसके बाद I'll bring up my more questions. ठीक है? So I'll ask the question and any one of you can answer that. Let's see पहला question क्या है. How did you prepare for personal interview? How should I justify that I left my job for MBA? यार ये बहुत ज्यादा कॉमन है. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि हमने जॉब वॉब छोड़ के प्रिपरेशन करी है और अभिषेक वांट्स टू नो कि इसको कैसे जस्टिफाई करना है कि जॉब छोड़ के प्रिपरेशन करी.
So I would like to answer this question. Even when I wanted to join MBA, I had to leave my job to actually prepare for all the interviews and this one. The fact is, like, you should first know like what is your short-term goal and long-term goal. If you're fixed on that, I think you can clearly justify why you left the job, man. That is the most important thing that you need to know when you're attending an interview.
तो कन्नन आप कैसे आंसर देते थे इंटरव्यूज में अबाउट व्हेन पीपल आस्क दैट? टेल अस अबाउट योर आंसर.
So my short-term goal is actually to work with analytics and in a big name company, and to work in some cutting edge technology like artificial intelligence, reinforcement learning, and I'm very much interested in those topics. Those topics actually trigger my passion and I wanted to follow it. So I worked as a business analyst and I thought, okay, I lacked some points of managerial knowledge, and that's why I wanted to do an MBA. And when these past 6 months being in the first year, I have streamlined the specializations which I would have. I would be very good to work at, and I would have fun working in that specialization. So then later, my long-term goal is that I want, after like 8 years of professional experience, I want to do my own startup, and I'm crafting ideas for that.
Nice. In fact, I'm glad that Kanan, you shared a good, nice, articulated answer, because this is how it is supposed to be. तो होता क्या है कि when you give your first, second interviews, you kind of make up the answers while you're speaking, and then it, gets something fixed, and then maybe in your third interview you're talking about those answers which you know what you're going to talk about, right? So it's a journey in itself. Now, Utkarsh and Rohan and Kanan, let's start focusing more on the selection process that you guys faced last year, this year, right? Whenever the academics start, because it was very different as compared to your seniors, I guess, because with time everything changes and a manager has to be prepared for any challenge. Agar wahan pe, maybe if they're asking for some unique competition, you cannot be like, I haven't prepared for that, right? So I have got some questions which we should quickly just take, in 1 or 2 lines, and then I have some special questions जो कि लोगों ने form भरते वक्त पूछे हैं, right? So let's keep it short. अगला जो question है वो रोहन आप बता सकते हो. Surya is saying that she has got 86 percentile in CAT, and 10th and 12th में it is 77 72, right? थोड़ा average के आसपास. So 6.15 GPA in graduation. So again, average marks, and they are belonging to category OBC category. Now they have do they have a chance to get into IIT Roorkee? Now, before you answer that, Surya, if you can tell us in the comments, have you already applied? So everyone who is asking for that, before we go on telling about it, they will tell the details. What I'm going to tell is कि मैं कॉलेज में देखता था कि क्या मेरी जो परसेंटाइल है वो उस रेंज में है या नहीं. आई डू नॉट डू दिस डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस की 10th और 12th में क्या आई है, उनके कॉलेज की कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारे पास नहीं होती. सो ऑल वी डू इज, डज दिस कॉलेज एक्सेप्ट 90% के ऊपर या फिर 80 से 90 के बीच में भी चांस है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. बहुत स्पेसिफिक जाएंगे तो इट विल ऑल डिपेंड कि अगर सारे के सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे आए हैं जिन्होंने 50% लिए 10th और 12th में, देन यू आर द टॉपर ऑफ द लिस्ट. बट अगर सारे टॉपर्स आए हैं तो यू आर एट द बॉटम ऑफ द लिस्ट. सो आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स, राइट उत्कर्ष, राइट रोहन? दैट्स हाउ इट बेसिकली वर्क्स. तो आप लोगों को एक जनरल आइडिया देना है कि इस परसेंटाइल पे वो एक्सेप्ट होंगे या नहीं, राइट? सो बिफोर सूर्या हैज 86 percentile with average 10 12th and graduation. So what is your take? Do you have friends जिनका ये profile रहा and still they got to be a part of the IIT? बताओ.
Yes, for an OBC category, 65 percentile, there is every chance that you'd be able to convert it given you perform well in the personal interview, even though you might have to be patient until the later rounds for you to get the offer, but there is every chance you'd be able to convert it. We had students in the 89, 88 percentile, I believe, from the OBC category in our
Right.
batch. 88 and 86
Rohan,
are
can
not
you
far.
Rohan, can I ask a personal favor? So Surya is telling me that they have already applied to the college, and there's a lot of anxiety that comes to a student. So if you can provide either your email ID or any LinkedIn contact, so that this student can directly talk about any clarification further if they want. So you don't have to do it now. At the end, maybe you can share your email IDs. So I'm just telling Surya, you can contact Rohan, right? Chinmay is asking the same question with 86 percentile. So I think in general, तुम लोग एक answer बता रहे हो that around 85 percentile there's a good chance, right? So to apply in that college will be a good wise decision to do, right? Acha, anyone has questions related to how to fill the form and how to make an impact while you are writing the answers in the form? तो वो भी आप अगर मुझसे questions chat में पूछोगे, I'll ask them personally. I just don't want anyone's time to be wasted. I want specific question. जो interested है उनके questions सबसे पहले solve हो, ठीक है?
And to make things clearer, your
Yeah.
past academics, if you got a minimum of 60 percentile in your undergrad, that should be good enough. None of your past academic scores are taken into consideration when you're offered a seat at DOMS ITR. The only things that are considered are your CAT score, your performance in the personal interview, and if you got any work experience, that counts. That has some weightage as well. So as long as you got over 60 percentage, you do not get any benefits for doing well, or you're not
right.
taxed for
And
not doing so well. Yeah.
To add to that, obviously your profile will be scanned. Everything that your personality says about you matters at the end of the day. So ये बस एक cut off होता है कि यार इसके ऊपर we will try to search, because they also cannot go about 2 lakh profiles. So that is why they ask such questions in the form, so that you stand out from the crowd. So it has to be one, right? So application is the first process, and I don't think that you should think about that investment. अच्छा, अगला क्वेश्चन ये हो गया है सूर्य का. कैट में 87 परसेंटाइल, सेम सारा कुछ. व्हाट इज द चांस? वर्क एक्स भी है, ठीक है. लेट्स नॉट टेक दोस क्वेश्चंस. वो एक जनरल आपने आइडिया दे दिया है. 81 परसेंटाइल फीमेल, ये यू कैन एक बार क्विकली someone can address. यार males और females में भी जो फर्क होता है. So there is 81 percentile. She's a female candidate and she wants to know कि PI का chance है क्या personal interview का call आने का. So can you share ऐसा कुछ, अगर ये स्टूडेंट बाद में बात करना चाहते हैं तो can you guys guide, थोड़ा आइडिया दे सकते हो आप?
We do not have any slack in the required percentile or the minimum percentile or anywhere in the admission process for female candidates. We do not differentiate on the gender aspect. So,
and I respect that. I think male or female के अंदर there should not be that percentile difference. So I really respect that rule. So all the best जिसने भी पूछा है, right? So you apply for it, try your best, and let's see if you, I hope that you get the call. So please tell us more about the selection process. हाँ यार, ये दिव्यानी बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है, इसके बारे में बात ज्यादा करते हैं. एक बार आप अपना जो आपके साथ सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस हुआ था, मे बी इफ यू कैन गिव एन इनसाइट, कनन और उत्कर्ष और रोहन.
So like I said, the selection process would be the highest weightage would be of your CAT score, and apart from that, 30% weightage would be given to the personal interview, where you stand to make the biggest difference, where you can make up a lot of ground, because CAT score, when you take it into consideration, there's not much of difference between, say, an 85 percentile to a 95 percentile when you bring it down to 100. So that 30 percentage which you can score through your personal interview will be making the biggest difference. And like I said, your overall profile matters, the way you speak in the interview matters, your preparation. So that is all we have for the selection process. Your CAT score, your personal interview, and if you got WorkX, we got 10% of weightage for WorkX, wherein you'll get 2% for the completion of every single year.
Right.
To imagine 10.
That's very nice, Rohan. Thank you, yaar. हमारे time पे तो we didn't have this luxury. You're basically talking to your future seniors, so that is great. यार बहुत सारे questions आ रहे हैं and they're talking about कि इस profile के अंदर होगा या नहीं होगा. So I just want to take some time and congratulate myself, क्योंकि मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. To be very honest, यही purpose था. पता है, webinar भी जब मैं कराता हूँ ना, तो मेरे को ऐसे लगता है कि there are some people who are interested, there are some people who are not interested, right? तो उन interested लोगों को एक ऐसा platform लेकर आना where they are kind of on a con call आप चारों के साथ. Alan is having some technical issue, so maybe he will join in some time. But this is the whole purpose, and today it is, it has been achieved. So I congratulate all three of you. Let's make the best use of this time. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि ये question repeat हो रहा है, don't answer that. Let's use the best time possible. उसके बाद they are talking about selection process के बारे में बात हुई थी. I'm sorry, मैं बीच में उसको मैंने interrupt कर दिया. Maybe आप उसके बारे में और बता सकते हो बीच में. Questions बहुत सारे हैं, इसलिए I want to scan them first. Selection process we are going to talk about. Same question. Profiles individually I'll share in सबके email IDs, तो आप लोग individually भी बात कर सकते हो. I have applied. Okay, I have applied. I'm almost near 86 percentile again. बहुत अच्छा chance है. Just 80 percentile maybe अच्छा chance है. Let's see. So Ashutosh, you're telling me that you're a BCom graduate, so that is great. You are definitely eligible. उसके आगे आपने कुछ लिखा नहीं है, तो maybe you can clarify. Sagar, background in computer science and interested, right? ठीक है. अब जरा और इसमें देख लेते हैं. I'm skipping जो कि अपने profiles आपने direct लिख रखी है and you want to know कि होगा या नहीं होगा IIT में. I'm skipping that. कि stay connected with all four of them and you will know. In general वो बता चुके हैं 80 पे there's a definite good chance, 82, 85 above. So 58 percentile in BCom, engineer, female, right? I'm not taking that. So please, the only solution is apply करके देखो. 2nd of, I think 2nd Feb is the last date to apply. Utkarsh, when is the last date?
It's 4 p.m. on the 3rd of Feb.
It is?
4 p.m. on the 3rd of Feb.
Okay. 3rd of Feb, 4 p.m. यार कोई भी आप में से प्लीज चैट पे लिख दो एक बार. मैं उत्कर्ष और एनीवन चैट पे एक बार ये चीज लिख दो. तो 3rd Feb आने वाली है, ठीक है. यू हैव 3 days, आराम से डिस्कस करो, सोचो. जैसे इन लोगों ने बोला है कि 80 के ऊपर एवरीवन शुड अप्लाई, देयर इज अ गुड चांस, अप्लाई करो। अब इन्होंने बोला है 3 PM 4 PM, तो प्लीज डोंट वेट फॉर द लास्ट टाइम, क्योंकि बहुत सारे इश्यूज आते हैं जब यू आर फिलिंग, बट सिंस इट्स ऑन द चैट सो वी हैव मेड इट क्लियर। ओके, जनरल रेंज ऑफ परसेंटाइल भी हम बात कर चुके हैं। हाउ इज आईआईटी एमबीए डिफरेंट फ्रॉम आईआईएम? यार ये वाला क्वेश्चन एक बार ले लो आप में से कोई, इफ यू हैव फ्रेंड्स हु हैव गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन आईएम्स तो उसके बारे में बताना, नहीं तो मैं खुद भी आई एम अ ग्रेजुएट ऑफ आईएम रोहतक, तो थोड़ा बहुत हम उस बारे में भी मे बी वी कैन टॉक अपने आगे वाले आंसर्स में। ठीक है, तो आईआईटी और आईएम का करिकुलम भी कंपेयर करने को बोला है। इस पे आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन यार, मैं पूछता हूँ। उत्कर्ष, जो आप लोगों के साथ आईआईटी का करिकुलम चलता है और एक जो एमबीए का करिकुलम होता है, वी ऑल नो इट इज वेरी डिफरेंट, है ना? बट बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द सेम कैंपस, जैसे मैं पहले भी बात कर रहा था, एक वो होता है इंटरमिंगलिंग की, मे बी यू कैन गेट हैंड्स ऑन मोर कोर्सेज देन एमबीए वाला केवल।
Right. To answer that question, I do not know whether people know about this or not, but we have currently shifted to the term system. So it is more fast paced as compared to what happens at IIMs. So we have decided to break down the 6 semesters into 8 as of now. And most of our syllabus would be completed by like 60 to 65% syllabus would be completed by the end of the first year in itself. And after that, we'll get hands-on experience to the industry, to the kind of work that actually goes on. One entire term is dedicated to a project that will be taken up for 2 to 3 months. So that is one of the major differences that you'll find at an IIM and an IIT. Also, with the dual specialization that is being offered at our institute, you would definitely have the chance for a cross-functional, cross-dimensional knowledge. So if you're taking up marketing for a matter of fact, you could tie it up to an operations, and you could be like you can open wide range of opportunities for yourself, not just in one domain but two. And when you go forward in life, I was recently going through one of the articles. So the next CMO of Coca-Cola has both a dual degree in operations as well as marketing. So that's a very huge advantage that we have at IIT. Not everyone has this opportunity, and you should make the most of it at the end of the day. This is what I believe is the major difference that sets us apart from the IIMs.
Right. Can you all see the chat? विजिबल है ना हम सबको? हाँ, तो अगर आप लोगों को लगता है ना कि एक क्वेश्चन कोई है जिसको क्लब करके हम बात कर सकते हैं, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो पिक बीच बीच में। मैं एक बार अपने
I
वाले
would want
सारे
to answer this one, this particular one. I want to do an MBA in marketing. Please reply. Okay, so I'll just take this one up because I am looking forward for a specialization in marketing myself. So we do have one of the top 10 professors in the entire country when it comes to marketing. His name is Professor Zilur Rahman. You can look him up on LinkedIn as well. He is one of the most renowned professors. He's in the top 2 percentile of the Stanford University as well. Definitely go reach out to him. He is helping out budding managers like us to start our own startups, or for that matter of fact, provide us with very good opportunities to do live projects or other research papers under him. Since IIT is obviously number one in research, so you do get to do a lot of research, you do get to dig into a lot of data. And all in all, marketing and operations are two fields that is a definitely go when it comes to IIT Roorkee.
A senior member asked about the PhD course over here. To add to what Utkarsh said and to add to what I said previously about our alumni doing well over the years, that is down to the quality of the faculty that we got here, and that not only resembles in the ranking. For example, the department is ranked number one in under the parameters of research and citations per faculty in the MBA department across in the MBA programs across the country. So that is a good indication of how good the faculty are, and not just that, like Utkarsh mentioned, some of the faculty are listed in the top 2 percentile of the scientists in the world in their respective subfields. And yeah, those are a few things to mention about the faculty, about the level of faculty we got over here. The PhD course is very good, one of the best in fact.
More questions. So there are a lot of questions. अब थोड़ी देर में लेते हैं, ठीक है? So I've started a poll where I've asked all the attendees so that I can get an idea, how many have already filled the form. Before we do that, yeah, it is not possible to, include all the questions that
I'd
you
like to
guys are
answer
asking.
this one.
Yeah, please.
Banana Kaur is asking if she can apply owing to her background being biology. Yes, we are open to students from all undergrad streams, and you are most welcome to apply. Over to you, sir.
So I guess questions देखो अभी messages आते जाएंगे. So what I'm going to do now is please आप लोग share कर सकते हो if your email ID or any sort of communication where you are also comfortable. I urge all the students to not ask something that they can search on Google. Please ask specific questions that you think are worth asking, and they can take out time and communicate, because it's only in 2 days. The application form is only for 2 days. So in these 2 days, maybe they can take out more time and answer your personal questions. So please एक बार उत्कर्ष, रोहन, आप लोग सब अपने LinkedIn profiles और एक बार email ID अगर आप share कर दोगे, so that will be great.
I want to answer a question. Like there was a question like, is it tough for the people in medical background to do an MBA? No, as long as you have the justification of why you want to do an MBA, there is no such thing as like a medical background couldn't crack MBA. So I think it's surely possible.
Is my voice clearer, Abhi? I just want to do a voice check एक बार. Okay, perfect. So I want to share the result of a poll. I raised a poll that have they filled the IT form. So I just want to tell you that it is exactly 50% of the students have already filled the form, right? So we have 48 people who have filled the form, and we have a lot of people who haven't. So those who haven't filled the form, they must be having more questions they want to ask. So maybe you can take more questions then.
I've seen a question about sectional cutoffs. No, there are no sectional cutoffs as such.
Right. So I have another poll. This time I want to know that, if you would like to have a personal counseling sort of, phone call where you want to know some detail that you might not feel comfortable यहाँ पे पूछते हुए, or we might skip it because, it's very difficult to actually take all the questions, right? So let me share that poll. Meanwhile, एक क्वेश्चन जो मैं लिख कर लाया था, and it is very important कि हम उसको भी address कर लें. Please give us an insight of the placement scenario that happened, and please talk about the ROI very candidly, because since you are on the same boat, you know the best about what is going to happen. So we all, we cannot doubt the value of the brand, but talking about the ROI, that instills a lot of confidence. So any one of you can share some light on that.
I'll take it up. This is a $1 million question. This is actually why we all are here at the end of the day. So even with the COVID being there in 2020 and still still carrying forward, we have seen a good number of companies come to our campus. You might have gone through the brochure as well. We do have the Top Guns coming to our campus. So I don't think so the COVID situation impacted any of the placement scenarios as it stands with the seniors, or for that matter of fact with the juniors as well, like our batch with the summer internships. We have a lot of analytical backed companies and which are definitely pouring in. Our season basically is a little different from what is followed at IIMs. IIMs typically what happens in a month or two where you enter the college, you'll be sitting for your summer internships. But here we do have it starting from the month of December and goes on up till the month of mid-Feb. So we do have an advantage here. Because of this, there isn't any impact that we have faced as of now, and we are growing very like as it is like you understand the even if you go through the brochure, you'll understand the average CTC. There's a rise in terms of the previous years, for a matter of fact.
Right. So before we move forward, there's a very repeated question. एक बार यार, please share your percentile that you got when you were applying. थोड़ा सा background भी. Let's be candid यहाँ पर. We are here to help. तो please थोड़ा बताओ एक बार अपनी अपनी percentile and background when you were applying.
Yeah, Utkarsh. Let's all go one after the other.
Yeah.
I'll begin off. Okay, sure.
Start.
So I belong to the OBC category. I got 91 percentile, 91 point something, and like I said, belonging to OBC, I did have options elsewhere. I've also done very well in chat, and I was through until the last round for the XLRA process as well. But yes, at the end of the day, considering the options I had, them being some tier 2 and tier 3 IIMs and some other private colleges, doing my own research about the quality of the faculty, quality of the alumni, I thought DOMS IIT Roorkee would be my best bet, and yeah,
Right.
that is it.
यहाँ पे ना एक लाइन मेरे को भी बोलनी थी कि एक बार जब 90 परसेंटाइल आ जाता है ना कैट में, इट गिव्स यू दैट रिक्वायर्ड कॉन्फिडेंस कि जो भी होगा ना एमबीए में देख लेंगे. मतलब एक प्रीमियम कॉलेज में होने का ना ये फायदा होता है कि जितने भी आपके आसपास होते हैं, दे हैव ऑल प्रूव देमसेल्व्स समहाउ. या तो कैट में बहुत अच्छा परसेंटाइल होगा या फिर प्रोफाइल में कुछ बहुत अलग किया होगा. सो यू गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, यू लर्न फ्रॉम ईच अदर एंड you talk about different things, है ना, jobs maybe or entrepreneurship maybe. So that is a great advantage that you get. ठीक है. So 90 percentile and that too with category. So getting in an IIT is not a piece of cake, right? बाकी बताओ फिर थोड़ा अपना story कनन.
I'll go next. I scored 96.93 percentile, and I'm from the general category, and I did have other options available to me, a couple of IIMs as well, for that matter of fact. But I wanted to have this legacy of IIT, since it's like Rohan mentioned earlier, it's been 22 years old. This is the 23rd year that we are here on, considering the small batch, the ROI and everything suited the profile that I wanted to get, plus the kind of specialization that I want to choose, definitely consider that this is one of the we wanted to.
थोड़ा सा वॉइस ब्रेक कर रही है अब, राइट? एक बार प्लीज कमेंट्स में ये भी बता दो दैट वी आर ऑल एबल टू हियर अस, सो दैट वी कीप टॉकिंग एंड एक बार कोई भी बता दो दैट वॉइस सब ऑडिबल है ना.
I guess we can go ahead, Kannan.
Now it is
Okay.
audible. Great. Yeah.
91 percentile, and I had 20 months of previous work experience, and I belong to OBC category. I had 3 calls from baby IIMs, but I chose DOMS IIT Roorkee over the IIMs because it had more heritage over the IIMs, and the return on investment was good, and the fee was good for my financial situation. So yeah, that is how my story went.
Yeah, so me, I
Alan,
scored
first of all, welcome
90
back.
point.
Yes,
Yeah. I'm sorry, my network is not too good.
no problem.
So, yeah. So me, I scored 90.5 percentile, and I also come from OBC background. And I also had calls from baby IIMs. I had from TAPME, from IMT also. But in the end, like everyone said, the ROI is like a huge factor because the fees at IITs, nobody can beat that, especially for the MBA program. So at the end of the day, I chose the MBA program at IIT.
Right.
Oh,
So
was I audible earlier
this is all
or
right. Please go on.
was I audible earlier or should I go again? Like, was it clear?
Yeah, last May I think the voice was breaking, but I guess we have got the whole context. Before we go ahead, let me tell you यार एक और मैंने
Guys, I'm
poll
facing
share करना
some
चाहता हूँ.
challenges in my answer.
Yeah. So may I go on है ना? तो मैं ये कह रहा था कि एक और पोल हमने किया है. Is the internet okay?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Yes. So 75% of the students would love to have a personal counseling. So we have a whole team where we talk to the students and tell them about which good options they have. But sometimes we do not have answers to very specific questions. So with your permission, I can forward those questions to your team, and maybe you can counsel that student if we cannot handle on ourselves. राइट मैं आप चारों
Surely,
से
surely,
वो परमिशन लेना चाह रहा हूँ. ग्रेट.
surely we could do
है
that.
ना, बिकॉज सारे इस सेशन का जनरल आइडिया है कि लोगों को पता लगे कि ऐसा भी एक प्रोग्राम है और उसके बारे में सब कुछ पता लगे, राइट? तो and we only get 1 hour, and we have promised the students that they will get answers. तो उसमें you can help us 3rd Feb, right? Now before we go on, as promised, तो अगर एक figure देखें तो what is the total investment that you are doing? Let me tell you before you answer that. MBA में जब आप करते हो तो you will learn about opportunity cost. इसका मतलब क्या है कि 2 साल आप एक जॉब करके जितना पैसा कमा सकते थे, that you are anyway losing, and you're paying some premium कि मुझे एक higher education चाहिए. तो रोहन, let's not talk about the total cost. कैंपस की बताओ आप जरा. What is the MBA cost?
Okay, considering the fees and everything you need to pay, it would sum up to 9.4 lakh in all.
Okay. That is वैसे that is a good amount. Anything you invest on yourself, is justified. But let me tell you, जो भी हमारे private colleges हैं जो हम देखते हैं खासकर दिल्ली मुंबई के आसपास, we end up paying more than 15 to 20 lakhs किसी भी college के अंदर, right? So for this 2 years, I think let's say a rough sum of 10 lakh investment. Don't compare it with salaries. Don't say that if I get a 11 LPA package तो मैंने तो बहुत अच्छा को trade कर लिया, and if I get a 8 lakh starting package, then it's a loss. Don't think like that, please. So I also want to know कि आप बताओ थोड़ा placements के बारे में, highest package, average package. But at the end of the day, let's not compare that and think about it as a game. You are investing in yourself. 2 साल दे रहे हो आप. तो don't give that numbers, just a rough idea आप दे दो. And also before we leave, because I'm really sorry that we cannot stretch it much, but before you all go, I want you to have a personal touch with the students, maybe some tip that you can give to them which will make them little less worried. आप सबका contact तो होगा, they can mail you, you can anyway take this ahead. But before you guys go, I want you to थोड़ा सा motivate करो आप students को. Right. Let's talk about placements. थोड़ा बता दो आप. Give them an idea.
Am I audible now?
Yes, Utkarsh, you're audible.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Right. So I was answering this question earlier as well. I'll like to go again on the similar path that since we work on a different timeline than other IIMs, definitely our placements are quite intact. Even when the COVID situation, no company backed out from any of the offers in the month of March or April. After that as well, like I said, the COVID impact is to the minimum. If you look at the numbers as well, there is a growth in the average CTC and the highest package offered. For that matter of fact, we have new recruiters coming in apart from the legacy recruiters that we already have. So yeah, all in all, the placement scenario is pretty good. Like Rohan mentioned, the ROI is fantastic when it is compared to any of the IIMs as well. The campus life is brilliant. Yes, we are yet to be there at the campus as well. So maybe you guys will be like, we guys will be welcoming each other the next year when we join. So definitely it'll be a fun journey. You guys will be doing it for the 2 years. We'll be there for 1 year. And definitely we could help each other out, grow and become better persons. I, for a matter of fact, would like to tell you that each day has been so eventful being a class representative or the placement coordinator that I have seen change in me on a daily basis. What I started off with and what am I today definitely goes out to the lockdown, definitely goes out to the MBA journey as well. So you will learn as you go each. And yes, all the best for your future at IITR.
And if you need exact figures as to replacements, you can always visit our website. Our interim report is up there on the website. You can always refer to it.
Right. So Aditi has been asking कि सबने अपनी परसेंटाइल बता दी सारे के सारे 90 अबव यार मतलब ये तो एक प्रीमियम वो हो गया कि 90 के ऊपर ही प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है. सो अदिति देखो मैं आपको एक बहुत सिंपल सी बात बताता हूँ बिफोर दे गो ऑन. कॉलेजेस का क्या होता है कि इट कम्स इन लिस्ट है ना. तो जब आपकी फर्स्ट लिस्ट निकलती है किसी भी कॉलेज के लिए देन इट इज ऑलवेज कंसिडर्ड कि जो भी टॉप के स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो अप्लाई करें. Now, pan India 90% के ऊपर you might get even 20-30,000 people who have got 90 percentile के ऊपर, right? So they get the first chance when they are picking the seats, and in the second and the third list, the percentile definitely goes down. Now it might not go down कि 80 के नीचे चला जाए, but because considering the time that we are living in, बहुत सारे बच्चे demoralize होके बहुत poor भी कैट के अंदर स्कोर लेकर आए हैं. So it is always an advantage that you apply for a college and try your luck. So I would suggest 80 percentile तक. अगर 80 से भी कम है then maybe you should not apply and maybe you can go applying in other colleges. But जिनका भी 80 and above है, I know 75% of you, you were asking about how to fill and what to fill. So you guys can actually aim for it if you have 80% and above. 90% and above, you're definitely getting in. There's a very good chance. But 80 के ऊपर I think with good percentile and you can expect your name list के अंदर. तो अमन is saying go for a poll. अमन किस तरह का poll कह रहे हो about percentage? ठीक है, let's do that. एक और poll create करते हैं और सबकी percentile का range पता हमें लग जाएगा. And meanwhile you four can talk about different type of profiles that students are building और कौन कौन से calls उनके पास आए थे. तब भी they chose IIT, right? Because you must have had friends जिनकी low percentile थी, जिनकी high percentile थी. तो maybe you can think about that. तब तक मैं एक poll prepare करता हूँ इस चीज के लिए.
To throw some light on that, I mentioned it before and I'd like to reiterate it again. Like I said, we have some percentage of weightage for GAT, not just here, across all the colleges. And if you look at it, the UCAT score, I know the pattern has changed this year, so I don't want to be mentioning numbers because I'm not aware as to what score gets what percentile this year. But the difference between, let's say, an 80 percentiler to a 90 percentiler would be in our times maybe at 30 marks. And when you bring it down to 100 from 300, that would have been a difference of 10 marks. And when you bring it out even further to say 60, that would be a difference of 6 marks, which you can easily or to your peers in the interview. Like supposing you have a great interview, you can easily make up for those lost 5 to 6 marks. And if you got work X, that adds as well. So I would say if as long as you're getting a call, you are in for it. There is every chance you'll be able to convert it, irrespective of where you stand in the list, whether you're at the top of the list or bottom of the list. You have your chance. You'll have your chance to make up for the lost scores and convert it. So at what percentile would you get a call? That is not something we can speculate on, because it depends on the number of applications we get. We call people in a certain ratio to the number of seats, so it depends on the number of applications we get. But yes, to give a general ballpark figure, like sir has been mentioning, it is sensible to apply. If you are a general category student, I would say 85 percentile and above definitely apply. 80 to 85, you still have an outside chance. OBC category, 80 percentile and above definitely do apply.
Yeah. So I would like to intervene. I'm really sorry that Zoom is not allowing me कि 6 बजे के बाद I can create a new poll. So I'm sorry about that. एक छोटा सा काम करते हैं, हम सब इंजीनियर्स हैं, इसकी भी एक सोल्यूशन है मेरे पास. पोल 1 जो है ना, एक बार वापस से रिलॉन्च करूंगा. 2 ऑप्शन है, येस और नॉट येट वाले. उनको ऐसे समझो 85% के नीचे येस कर देना, और 85% के अगर आपके पास ऊपर परसेंटाइल है 85 एंड अबव, तो प्लीज आप यस करना. और अगर आपके पास 85% से नीचे है तो नॉट येट करना. आई एम रीलॉन्चिंग इट अगेन. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं. यस वो लोग कर रहे हैं जिनकी 85 से ऊपर है. इससे हमें आइडिया लग जाएगा ऑडियंस का. इसमें मैं एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म नहीं पूछ रहा हूं, केवल आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूं कि क्या आपकी परसेंटाइल ऊपर है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन को मत पढ़ो. क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या आपकी 85 से ऊपर है परसेंटाइल. तो आई थिंक 36 लोग कर चुके हैं, जवाब दे चुके हैं. बचे हुए 70 भी आप लोग दे दो जवाब. ठीक है, गुड. तो मुझे ये आइडिया लग गया है कि देखो 60% मतलब हो गया करीब करीब 60 लोग जो हैं उनकी 85 से ऊपर है परसेंटाइल. तो जैसे रोहन ने भी काफी क्लियरली बोला यार, 85 एंड अबव यू कैन बी श्योर. 80 to 85 यू कैन जस्ट ट्राई. मे बी आपका जस्ट हो जाए 84 तक जाए कट ऑफ, मे बी 82 तक जाए, बट नॉट बिलो 80. राइट रोहन?
Yes, that would be a good estimate to make.
राइट. सो अमन, आई एम सॉरी यार, ऐसे करना पड़ रहा है पोल का. नेक्स्ट टाइम से आई मेक श्योर मैं पहले ही एक्स्ट्रा पोल्स बना के रखूंगा. तो अब थोड़ा सा मुझे एंड करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज 10 मिनट बाद इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली एंड. तो सबसे पहले तो आई वुड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट यू 4. ठीक है, क्योंकि इतना इंटरैक्टिव कभी रहता ही नहीं है. मैं खुद परेशान हो गया कि मैं चैट को संभालूं या फिर मैं पोल को संभालूं. तो थैंक यू दी ऑडियंस स्पेशली. आई थिंक वी स्टार्टेड विद अ नंबर ऑफ 90 एंड अब हम लोग कुछ 60 लोग हैं जो एंड तक रहे हैं. तो दैट शोज दैट वी हैव एन इंटेंट. जो मेरा पहला पोल मैंने कराया, एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आधे से ज्यादा लोगों ने ऑलरेडी भर रखा था. जिन्होंने नहीं भरा है उनके लिए एक स्पेशल अपॉर्चुनिटी थी कि इन चारों को जाने. राइट. आई डोंट वांट कि आप लोग उनको स्पैम करो, बहुत सारे मेल लिखो, लेकिन फिर भी आई आस्क देम कि आप अपना ईमेल आईडी उन्होंने दिया है आपको, प्लीज कम्युनिकेट टू देम, आस्क देम क्वेश्चंस. You have every right to know what you're buying because at the end of the day you're buying this brand. कहीं ना कहीं आप उसका पार्ट बन रहे हो. You have every right to ask questions. जहां तक परसेंटाइल की, and they also don't know what will be the cutoff. To be very honest, they don't know. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Maybe they were lucky. Maybe इस बार और भी कम चला जाए. I don't know. But apply करो please. Application forms अगर आप 1000-2000 रुपए इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, वो कुछ भी नहीं है यार, कुछ भी नहीं है. 2000 की तो आई थिंक आप वीकेंड पे पार्टी कर लोगे, है ना. ये पूरे करियर की बात हो रही है आगे की. तो अगर परसेंटाइल चाहे आए ना आए, तुम्हें लग रहा है 80 से भी नीचे है तो सर मैं दूं क्या 2000? नहीं यार, फिर मत दो. ये लोग खुद कह रहे हैं 80 के ऊपर वाले अप्लाई करो, पर अप्लाई करो. ठीक है. तो यू नो, पर्सनली आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट रोहन. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग सो कैंडिड, है ना. कनन, अमेजिंग यार, मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बात करके. बस वो टाइम की बात है, नहीं तो आई वुड लव टू टॉक आवर्स एंड आवर्स. एमबीए में आई रिमेंबर बालकनी में खड़े खड़े 1 घंटे वी यूज्ड टू, यू नो, पूरी पूरी रात वी यूज्ड टू मेक बी प्लान्स, है ना. तो मजा आता है. दैट इज द एनवायरनमेंट दैट वी आर ऑल एमिंग फॉर. थैंक यू अलन. बीच में आप यू मिस्ड आउट, हम लोग आंसर कर रहे थे क्वेश्चंस को, बट पीपल विल कॉन्टैक्ट यू ऑल्सो, है ना. तो आप वहां पे आंसर दे सकते हो. एंड फाइनली उत्कर्ष, बीच में आवाज लैग करी थी, बाकी टाइम यू कंप्लीटली ऑडिबल. ठीक है, तो डोंट वरी. इसकी पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग यूट्यूब पे जाएगी. जिन लोगों ने लेट ज्वाइन किया है, हिट बुलजाई के चैनल पे आप सुन सकते हो. जो बोल रहा है उसी की स्क्रीन आएगी और बहुत सुंदर सा एडिट करके मैं इसको अपलोड करूंगा. मेन उसका पर्पस क्या है कि डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखो अपने क्वेश्चन लिखो, 2 दिन भर दो उसको, कमेंट्स के अंदर इन लोगों से पूछो. दे ऑल्सो हैव लिमिटेशन, इनको भी कॉलेज के देयर पार्ट ऑफ इट, राइट? तो वो भी लेट रिप्लाई करेंगे बट करेंगे, ठीक है? तो 100 बातों की एक बात यही है कि थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मेकिंग दिस पॉसिबल. थैंक यू फॉर स्पेयरिंग संडे का इवनिंग, है ना? वी ऑल कम हेयर विद दिस इंटेंट कि यार किसी की हेल्प हो जाए, जो ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है वो हमारे को उसका हम यूज कर पाए. अलन ने अपनी दे दी है ईमेल आईडी, और किस किसने, उत्कर्ष ने भी दे दी है. एक बार कंफर्म कर लेते हैं. रोहन ने भी दे दी है, थैंक यू. किसने बचा है? कौन, किसकी नहीं आई? सबने आप लोगों ने शेयर कर दिया, ठीक है. तो यार दैट्स इट, वी विल एंड हेयर. बिफोर वी एंड, यू कैन शो योर अप्रिसिएशन. थोड़ा सा कमेंट्स में यू कैन टाइप इफ यू लाइक्ड इट, यू कैन जस्ट थैंक अस. But I would love to thank all the participants for sparing time asking questions. इतने ज्यादा कि मैं ले भी नहीं पाया हूँ, बट मैं करूंगा इनको कलेक्ट, ठीक है? मंडे मॉर्निंग आई एम गोइंग टू सिट विथ ऑल ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस. Deep Raj, thank you so much. Thank you for saying that. Lot of energy goes, but सब आप लोगों के लिए ही है. अभी और वेबिनार्स होंगे, प्लीज कम. थैंक यू अंकित, थैंक यू बीपी, थैंक यू सिद्धार्था, थैंक यू अमन. Good session. Thank you so much, Aman. Thank you, Harshvardhan. So, thanks to all the 4 young members, actively taking part. यही MBA यार, जब भी मौका मिले बोलो, एक्सप्रेस करो अपने आप को, अपनी ओपिनियंस रखो स्ट्रॉन्ग. और यही तुम्हारे सीनियर्स बनने वाले हैं, तो इनसे तो वैसे भी बना के रखना बहुत जरूरी पड़ेगा, है ना? तो होप टू सी good amount of applications, hope to see excellent people joining the excellent course of IIT Roorkee, and I hope that I can rope you again. कोई और इंटरेस्टिंग सा कुछ सेशन कर पाए हम लोग टिप्स एंड स्ट्रेटजीज पर, ठीक है? मीनवाइल आई वोंट आई आल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ. तो कोई भी स्टूडेंट आपको रीच आउट करता है, ट्राई टू टेल देम एज कैंडिडली एज यू कैन, ट्राई टू मेंटर देम. मेरी पूरी काउंसलिंग टीम, दे नो कि क्या बेसिक कट ऑफ है, क्या है. So they will answer on your behalf. But अगर कुछ नहीं हो पाता, we'll forward it to you. So hope you also had a good time. As promised, कुछ motivational बोल के जाना पड़ेगा चारों को. तो एक लाइन प्लीज मोटिवेट कर दो हमारे जो बच्चे अभी हैं. We have just 50 students remaining. तो any closing word, Utkarsh?
Am I audible?
Yes.
Right. So, guys, this will be the best part of your life. So choose wisely. There's no going back on this. Once you go forward with it, this will stay with you forever. You will be known by IITR. The brand goes up, your value goes up. I would like to just end with that I would like I entered as a caterpillar. I hope I fly off like a butterfly. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you. Any one of you?
I'd just like to wish all the participants over here good luck with their admission process. I know it can get very taxing. There will be a lot of interviews to give. Hopefully, little less traveling than we had to do last year. I mean, we were a bit fortunate on that front as well. Interviews, most of them had been online. Hopefully, you guys have it that way as well. Uh, uh, code is still around. Let's see how it goes, but all the best to you guys. Prepare well, and interviews have become very crucial this year because most when we're going online, we'll have to cut short on some of the rounds. So be well prepared for the interview. Simple as that.
And I would just like to mention that this session itself was a great idea, and I believe that it has been a great success. We have accomplished a lot. I think the aspirants have a much better idea now as to what their future holds, and how they can benefit from joining an IIT. So I would like to thank everybody, all of the attendees, and of course I would like to thank Hit Bullseye itself for arranging this. And so thanks to everyone, and good luck for the application process.
So a lot of people would be like tense right now regarding interviews and all those things, and there are a lot of questions regarding that. So the way you have to prepare for an interview is just be familiar with the current events, know your short-term, long-term goal, and stay cool. These are the 3 tips I would give to you. And thanks to Hit Bullseye for hosting this wonderful session. And I really look forward to the participants in the campus. That's it. Thank you so much.
The pleasure is all ours. Not it all depends on the personality. Even being online, we can all sense your presence and we can all understand the kind of energy that you come in. So that is great. And I really, with my little experience, I can tell you, you're gonna do great in terms of marketing and all the ventures that you have ahead. At the end of the day, it is all about how you talk, what you talk, and that's what drives money. So all these students who have joined us, I hope that you get into great clubs and committees and you have a good session ahead, or maybe next year तुम्ही में से किसी को मैं लेकर आ रहा हूँ for a session like this. So we never know. अब अगर इसका ढंग से यूज करना है, it's gonna be 1 more minute I'll take. अगर इसका अच्छे से यूज करना है तो इन लोगों को कांटेक्ट करो, पूछो अपने सवाल, आप अप्लाई करो, लेट अस नो जब ये यूट्यूब पे जाएगा, लेट अस नो that we saw this webinar, it helped us in understanding and we have filled the application form. So that way I will also get motivated कि यार मैं और इनके sessions कराऊं, multiple sessions कराऊं, ठीक है? So I'll पूरा Monday मेरा editing में जाना है, I'm gonna upload it on YouTube कल and let's see how many of you.
We lost you actually. We can't hear you. You're just speaking.
Video will be uploaded. Give me Monday तक का time, right?